Sowore start mobilization of Igbo men ahead of the Free Nnamdi Kanu protest that will be going down in Abuja. Okay, guys, Sowore will be leading the massive protest to Asu Rock, where he will be demanding the immediate release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He has started mobilization of Igbo youth and also called on politicians all over the world, most especially the Igbo politicians, to join the movement and also the protest that will be going down in Asu Rock. He started mobilization where he visited Barnes Plaza and some business centers where he met with some Igbo businessmen. You have to see them chanting and singing Nnamdi Kanu's name ahead of the protest that will be going down. Sowore has called out all the whole politicians from the entire Southeast to join him in this protest, including Peter Obi and the rest of them. Atiku has also pledged support for the protest.
It's very easy here today, and this is our 6th market in 2 days. This is the 6th market we are visiting in 2 days to mobilize people to free Nnamdi Kanu on Monday. We are not demanding for pardon. Don't get us wrong. We are not begging Tinubu to release Nnamdi Kanu. We are asking that Nnamdi Kanu should be released from unjust, illegal detention by the Nigerian government, who kidnapped him from Kenya. The Nigerian government is made up of a lot of kidnappers. They are not only kidnapping in Nigeria, they are kidnapping from Kenya. International kidnappers. Yes. We have asked them to release Nnamdi Kanu. And we want to make it very clear. We are asking them to release him on or before 20th, Monday. So they have an option. Don't let them tell us they don't have an option. The option is to release him now so that we don't have to march on Aso Rock on Monday. But if they don't release him by Monday, and they are claiming that he's in court, why is it that the terrorists are not in court? Why are the bandits not in court? Why are the drug dealers being pardoned? That is to show to you that some people are better than others in Nigeria, and we reject second-class citizenship. And the Nigerian state must release Nnamdi Kanu on Monday. That's our message. But our message to you here is that you should all come out on Monday. You cannot lose anything by closing your shop on Monday, even if it's from 7 a.m. to 12 noon, and to come and bail our brother and let him come back home to us. When I say bail, I'm not asking to pay for shortio. I'm talking about to bring him out to rejoin us. That is why we came here to see you. Thank you very much. Yes. Free Nnamdi Kanu now. Free Nnamdi Kanu. Free Nnamdi Kanu now. Holy, 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 Nnamdi Kanu is another Savior. Holy, 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 Nnamdi Kanu is another Savior. Hooray!
Sowore stands for justice. He stands strong in defense of the downtrodden. As far as we are concerned, right now, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a downtrodden because he's being detained illegally, he's being persecuted in a very Once again, I want to thank all of you for the great reception. My name is Mazi Omoyele Sowore. I'm still looking for the Igbo title that I will take. Okay. Yes. Our job here today is very simple. We have tolerated the detention of Nnamdi Kanu for too long. We are not going to stand, please. We are not going to stand by while one of us is put down perpetually by a system that encourages other people to do even criminal things and award them immediately. We are all aware that yesterday, 3 days ago, they were pardoning murderers in this country. Yes. They were pardoning the most notorious kidnapper. Yes. One of the most notorious kidnappers in Nigeria was pardoned day before yesterday. A woman who killed her husband, who was pardoned. Over 53 drug lords who are serving life in detention were pardoned, or their sentences reduced. Let me make it very clear. We are not asking for pardon for Nnamdi Kanu. Yes! Because he has not committed because I want to be very clear about that. That the conversation, the context of our conversation has nothing to do with pardon. No! We are asking the Nigerian government led by Bola Tinubu to do the right thing. Yes! By granting Nnamdi Kanu total unconditional freedom. Not a single condition can be attached to it. It does not include even providing a shorty anymore. Yes. It does not include visiting police station every Monday. It does not include come back and answer some other charges anymore. The reason I'm doing this is not politics. No. Thank you, my brother. You guys know that. God bless you. If I want to do politics, I want to join one of the bad parties. I am doing this because my conscience tells me it's the right thing to do. And I have decided whatever it will take that on October 20th, I will lead all of you to Aso Rock Village. We are here in this market today, but we are calling on all markets across Nigeria and the world of people of conscience to close down for one. It's not too much to ask for. Whether you are in Lagos,
1 week in closer.
We have been closing markets every Monday anyway. Yes. We need one more Monday. Yes. It's not about closing down the market, it's about bringing Nnamdi back home. Yes. And we are not doing this because we are Igbo, Yoruba, or Hausa. We are doing it because we are the good people of the world, not even Nigeria. Yes. And this is what is done world over. In my books, I have said it, Nnamdi Kanu is the Mandela of his own people. You can keep him in detention for as long as you want. But you can never destroy the spirit of what he stands for, which is the liberation of his own people. Yes. I stand for the same thing, the liberation of humanity. Yes. And I get, as you guys know, I get into prison every day. But I told them that there's no prison that can contain us. Even as I'm speaking now, I can guarantee you that even before the 20th, they can arrest me. Nobody will. Don't worry. You are wasting your time. Because if you arrest me and put me in any place, I will leave even those people who were in detention together to ask On that day, on that 20th, every jail was open in this country. All the innocent persons who have been suffering in this detention for just reasons. Because we don't only know Nnamdi Kanu, there are a lot of Igbos. Because it's a crime to be Igbo in this country. I don't like it. In a place they call Wawa Barracks. They have kept people there. Hundreds of Igbos. For just, if your neighbor accuses you of being like, they will carry you and go and deposit you so you can never be found. They don't even ask whether you are a member or not. But how is it even a crime to be a member of an organization that is seeking liberation for themselves. It's only Nigeria and some banana republics that you get that.
Thank you.
So, as we are here, the world is listening to us.
Yes. Sorry, Nigeria.
From Madagascar.
Madagascar. The current one.
That we are asking for Nnamdi Kanu to be freed on condition or before. Because we are helping them now. They can solve this problem before 20. They can solve it today. But we were just doing that to help them. On or before 20th, we are bringing him home not later than 20.
Thank you, sir.
This public outing here today is aimed at mobilizing the whole country to come out and join us in Abuja on that day. We have seen their propaganda. It is because it's NSAS. I'm the one who started NSAS. Come and hold me responsible for it. I started NSAS at the police headquarters before everybody joined it. Nnamdi Kanu responded on NSAS the day they started killing people indiscriminately. It was his own response to stop them from those, and that remains in Nigeria's history as it was. So, whichever it is, whatever it is that it will take, we don't care. And I will say just a few more things and I will leave. We have called on all the Southeastern politicians who in the daytime say that they want Nnamdi Kanu free. At night, they go and say, don't free him. We have called all of them. I have tried to meet them. I've asked Soludo to come out and join us.
All of them.
This is the time to put their mouth where their leg is.
All of them.
Or put their leg where their mouth is.
All of them.
I've called on Oti, who is his home state governor. All of them have entered what they call radio silence. But we will make it happen. And after Nnamdi Kanu is free, we will get back to other businesses. Because, as you all know, Nigeria is unfinished business. And we are here to finish the Nigerian business. The venue of this protest is Aso Rock Villa. But the convergence where we gather is the Fountain Square. But because of what might be, we will still have some internal strategy to have multiple places to approach the city from. But you should be around that area, around the central business district is what we call it. So at the Federal Capital Territory. I call it Federal Capital of Thieves. Yes. But 7 a.m. please. We are also asking if you have any of your brothers who want to travel to come, please provide them accommodation. No problem. I can stay with you. Or anybody needs accommodation, transportation. We are also using it to call on transporters across the country. If anybody wants to come and you are sure, give them free transport to Abuja and back.
We will do that.
And we want to make it clear, it is a peaceful protest. But it's also their job to make it peaceful. But it's a peaceful protest. Thank you very much. Oh, please. We also will let you know that we are going to protest at that Wawa Barracks prison. Wawa Barracks prison is very close to Verydarkman in Niger State. Everywhere an innocent person is detained unlawfully, illegally, and unjustly, because there are some detentions that they claim are legal, but they are unlawful. I am not a lawyer, my lawyers know. But a detention can be legal, even lawful, but unjust. I am on the side of the unjust part of any form of contribution of persecution.
We will be leaving now because because they are waiting us at Kubo Furniture. Okay, so we want to go there and address them as well.